Don't number rows like this. Forget the old school style. Let's start with the new modern formula. It will help and make your life easier. Let's start equal sign, then left double quote, and then number and o dot left double quote, and then sequence. If you already know how many rows you will insert, then type the numbers how many rows you want and then enter. Bracket start number, then bracket close, enter. But if you have a large number of data, then there is another formula. It will make your life more easier. We will edit the same formula. At the start, again sequence and bracket start, then count up, then start bracket and select the same column of the name, and then -1 because we started from the second line, so we will -1. All right, then enter. No need to drag the formula, it will auto refill. So hope you enjoy the video. Please like and share.